Hey everybody, welcome back to Iphone Bloke, the tech tuber where we help quality people to pick up quality product. In today's video, I've got this very important and yet extremely essential gadget for all the YouTubers, all the content creators, and this is nothing but a tripod. A very affordable tripod for all of us, those who make videos, a presentation, and all sorts of media streaming and stuff. So this comes from a brand called Sketchfab, and it's under 400 rupees. Now, before I give you a complete demo and talk more about it, I just want to tell you some of the important things what I really loved about this wonderful tripod. And the first thing what I really got me on my attention is the aluminium rods. These rods are very nicely built up. It is kind of rust proof, and with the help of aluminium, when you have these kind of rods, you would never have anything called rust, or let's say poor built. It would not even let's say get shattered, or let's say come in two pieces even if it falls down, because the aluminium built are really nice. Now, moving towards the other segment of this wonderful tripod is the buttons. The buttons are very tactile to it, and it feels extremely premium. It feels extremely comfortable. This is a mobile phone holder, and this is primarily a sort of a device which supports Android and Apple both. So if I just close them for you guys in terms of the major functionality, in the down you have this option called buttons, which will help you, and it can go up to 2 feet, 2.5 feet, the overall length of this tripod. And this is to increase the height from the down. The same goes over here. This is the middle segment, which is kind of to take it up and down, and it moves up and down as well. This is the the neck. This will help you to how to set up the neck of this wonderful tripod. And of course, the major button is this, the control, where you want to go up or down. And then you have the major one, which is if you lift this, for example, I'll just show you. If you take it up and take it down, this is where you stuck your iPhones or mobile phones, whatever stuff you have. So overall, the build quality of this so-called Sketchfab aluminium tripod is not that really sturdy, but then it is not even disappointing as well, because the entire setup of this wonderful tripod it feels nice. That's what I can say. And this is a little demo I wanted to give you. I've also placed a link for the same in Amazon link, in case if you want to buy it. Feel free to check out some of the fantastic offers which Amazon has on this wonderful product. And let me give you a little zoom up so that you understand how the entire functionality and the build of this so-called the tripod works and overall stability. So this is a little demo about what exactly a tripod is, so-called under affordable range of 400 rupees. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use your tripod, how to fix it, the size, the length, and the overall let's say feature of this wonderful product. Do remember to subscribe iPhone Bloke, the tech tuber, where we produce videos on SUV and iPhones and many more interesting facts and figures. Till next time, you take care.